Most of us grow up believing that wealth is something that happens to other people, those with high salaries or extraordinary luck. I've been there, earning my first paycheck and wondering why it never seemed to last, no matter how hard I worked. But the reality is much more empowering. Wealth is not a prize you win. It's a system you build. If you're starting your 20s with a modest paycheck, you might feel like financial independence is a distant dream. Today, we're going to look at the practical roadmap to build wealth that isn't typically taught in classrooms. At Financial Freedom Hub, we focus on the core principles that allow anyone to build a solid foundation. It's time to move from uncertainty to clarity. Learn to be free. The most valuable asset you possess in your 20s isn't your income, it's your time horizon. Many people wait for a perfect moment to start, but in finance, the cost of waiting is higher than you think. This is the principle of compound growth. When you start early, your capital has more cycles to reinvest and expand. It's not about finding a magic investment. It's about the discipline of staying in the market. Even small, consistent contributions made in your 20s carry more weight than much larger amounts started a decade later. Wealth building is a marathon of consistency, not a sprint of high-risk bets. To build wealth on a low salary, you must understand opportunity cost. Every dollar you spend today on things that lose value is a dollar that cannot grow for your future. That daily premium coffee or an impulsive tech upgrade may seem small in the moment, but over time, those small choices represent years of lost compound growth. This isn't about extreme frugality. It's about intentionality. Are you spending on things that improve your life and earning potential? Or are you simply following a cycle of consumption? By optimizing your cash flow, you create the surplus necessary to feed your future growth. You are shifting to a strategic mindset, where you value long-term stability over short-term gratification. How do we turn these concepts into reality? We follow a straightforward roadmap. First, awareness. Track your flow of money. Knowing exactly where your capital goes is the first step to controlling it. Second, protection. Build a small emergency fund. This is your safety net, so that life's surprises don't derail your progress. Third, elimination. Focus on clearing high-interest debt. This is often the best return on investment you can achieve. Fourth, strategic growth. Start participating in the global economy through diversified index funds or ETFs. By owning a slice of the market, you allow your capital to grow alongside the world's most successful companies. It's a slow, steady process, but it is the most proven path to long-term independence. Financial independence is not about reaching a specific number overnight. It's about the freedom to make choices based on your values, not your bank balance. If you're ready to master the principles of personal finance and build a life on your own terms, subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub. We're here to provide the clarity you need to navigate your financial journey. I'm your host, And remember, the best foundation you can build is an educated mind. Learn to be free.